Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome you to our first video in Microsoft Excel. And the first video is going to be about Microsoft Excel formulas. So Excel formula allows users or anyone to perform calculations, logical comparison, and create visualization depending on the data they have. Formulas can also be used to create dynamic dashboards, generate multiple values from the user input. In Excel, when you have a formula, there are some of the things you have to make sure that you follow. First of all, in Excel, whenever you want to do any calculation, you have to start with equal sign. So, for example, this is my worksheet, and I have the numbers here. I have this number, I have this number, I have this one, and this one. They're all found in the column B, and then found in the row 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I want to get the sum of these numbers. So for me to do that, I have to make sure that I follow the procedure of calculation in Microsoft Excel. So the rule states that in anything you want to do about calculation, you have to start with equal sign. So I'm going to type equal sign. After that, I will go ahead and type the first value or I want to add, which is 34. But then I don't want to type 34 as a real value, but instead I write the cell reference or the address where this number lies, and that is B16. So I will just type B16. So when I type B16, you can see the number is highlighted. And then after that, I will go ahead and put the operator of plus, because I want to add. Then I'll go ahead and type the second value, which is B17. B17 is the cell reference, or is the cell name or the box name where the number 45 lies. So I will say that's B17. So you can see B17 highlights the number 45. Then after I go ahead and put the operator plus or addition operator, then I got the third value, which is 33, but the cell reference of that is B18. So I type B18. And then after that, I got the fourth value, which is the last one, that's 23. And that one is represented with B19. So I type B19. So the moment you are done with that, then you see that everything becomes easy. And what you do now is that you just have to come on this part. This symbol is the same as enter on the keyboard. So when you click on that, then you'll be able to get the answer here. So this is the addition of the numbers, and we have used this using the formula. So we said that in Microsoft Excel, what you need to know is that whatever thing you are doing is that you have to start with equal sign when you are doing a calculation. After putting the equal sign, then you have to write the values, and these values can be the real values or can be the cell reference that represent the values within a given cell. Otherwise, thank you. Guys, let's catch up in the next video.